good people. Sorry, I've again intruded Becky's channel, So, we were headed to Lake Bogoria Spa for swimming because, yeah, it's hot. And then we decided to stop here because there are nice views. So we decided to stop here and take a few snaps here and there, and then we proceed to the next place. But as you can even see behind me, it's beautiful. It is beautiful, you can see. Very beautiful. Sorry, a motorbike just passed. Yeah, so we are going to take a few snaps here and there, and then we'll see you guys when we do the snaps, and then when we get to Lake Bogoria Spa. Bye.
Sawa, naianzisha. The pics that we will take at this view. As you can see, the view is on point here, and my driver of the day.
I was the rider of
the rider of the day.
Rider of the day, by the way, guys.
And back there back there is our piki, but very soon we're gonna drive. Okay.
Amen to that. Guys, one thing I've come to realize while riding a motorbike or a car or anything, driving or anything on the road, you just realize that you're not safe without prayers.
Exactly.
You're not safe even a minute, because the kind of things you escape, you're like, it's the prayers I did in the morning that are working. So pray.
Pray, pray, pray. See you.
We're just entering Lake Bogoria Spa. As you can see, it's a very beautiful place. Yeah, that you can come and visit and chill for the weekend. So us, because we came with the motorbike, we have been told to park where motorbikes are parked, and then we walk. We are going to walk to the place. Yeah. So see you there. Yours truly.
Yes, truly. Yes, truly. Yes, truly.
Yours truly is serving us with the glow. She's glowing. Okay, when she's with me, she's glowing. Oh, when you don't have the car keys, you walk with your motorbike.
Of course, motorbike girls.
Exactly. So yeah.
Go back to your ex or catwalk.
Oh my God, catwalk.
Na ujue ex wako wataona hii.
Haina shida. I drive a catwalk to the least. I don't know.
So these are some of the rooms that you can come and spend your nights over here. Yeah.
Oh, by the way, and one unique thing about this spa is because it has a natural spa, like water just flowing from the river to the pool and out. So yeah, and that's what we are going to do.
Okay.
We are going to swim there, and the water is warm, so you can come with your babies.
Your babies, your kids. I mean kids, not babies.
Okay, not babies, but babes. Okay.
Yeah.
I journey to the place. I journey to the place. What have you done? Charges?
Charges. Yeah, so we are done paying for the rates of swimming. How was the rate?
You pay 400 shillings for swimming, and then if you just want food or any other thing, you can just order later.
Okay. Yeah.
But for now, we've just paid 400. If you need a drink or food,
We will let you know. So
As
let's
you can
get
see,
it.
it's beautiful, and then there is a place for camping around this area.
Let me show you. So here is the therapeutic spa pool. We are going to the therapeutic spa pool. So as you can see, it's beautiful. No one in the pool actually. There's some wow. Let's capture. So let's capture the view for you guys so that you can see how it goes. You can cool yourself with ice. No ice cream? Oh no. So this is the swimming pool. We are going to the changing rooms first. see you when we are in the water. So their washrooms are clean, right? They're so clean. Lake Bogoria Therapeutic Natural Spa. Are you ready for me? See you when we have changed. huko tulale because we can't
We can't afford.
we can't afford.
Now.
We can't sleep. It
We
wasn't a vacation anyway, so it's already 6:50. We are going back with our piki. Not driving.
We are going back with the piki.
Keeping it raw and real.
I'm the driver.
Yeah.
You
So
should pay me actually.
So I hope you have enjoyed the swimming pool with us, and we'll see you later. Bye.